parking sensors are proximity sensors for road vehicles designed to alert the driver of obstacles while parking. These systems use either electromagnetic or ultrasonic sensors. These systems feature ultrasonic proximity detectors to measure the distances to nearby objects via sensors located in the front and or rear bumper fascias or visually minimized within adjacent grills or recesses. The sensors emit acoustic pulses, with a control unit measuring the return interval of each reflected signal and calculating object distances. The system in turn warns the driver with acoustic tones, the frequency indicating object distance, with faster tones indicating closer proximity and a continuous tone indicating a minimal predefined distance. Systems may also include visual aids, such as LED or LCD readouts to indicate object distance. A vehicle may include a vehicle pictogram on the car's infotainment screen, with a representation of the nearby objects as colored blocks. Rear sensors may be activated when reverse gear is selected and deactivated as soon as any other gear is selected. Front sensors may be activated manually and deactivated automatically when the vehicle reaches a predetermined speed, to avoid subsequent nuisance warnings. The electromagnetic parking sensor was reinvented and patented in 1992 by Mauro del Signore. Electromagnetic sensors rely on the vehicle moving slowly and smoothly towards the object to be avoided. Once detected, the obstacle, if the vehicle momentarily stops on its approach, the sensor continues to give the signal of the presence of the obstacle. If the vehicle then resumes its maneuver, the alarm signal becomes more and more impressive as the obstacle approaches. Electromagnetic parking sensors are often sold as not requiring any holes to be drilled, offering a unique design that discreetly mounts on the inner side of the bumper, preserving the new factory look of your vehicle. Now they also come equipped with a camera to go with the sensor. By 2018, the US is requiring backup camera with sensors on all cars. Toyota introduced ultrasonic back sonar on the 1982 Toyota Corona, offering it until 1988. December 13, 1984, Massimo Ciccarello and Ruggero Lenzi entered in Italy the patent request for ultrasonics parking sensors, and November 16, 1988, the Ministry of Industry granted them the patent for industrial invention N. 1,196,650.